Today are our inaugural Research Culture Awards, and they're a way of recognising and celebrating projects from across the university, from researchers, from professional services, technicians, a whole swathe of different types of people who are doing things in a different way. They're really resetting our research culture and building it again from the ground up. So research culture describes the way that we do our research. It involves all of the behaviours, the assumptions that we bring with us when we become researchers or enable research.
These days, the research questions that we have to answer are so big and so complex and so important that they really require big teams of multidisciplinary scientists to work together, sharing the problem, sharing the answer and finding the solution. And I think if we don't embrace the different diversity of researchers that we could have, then we're really missing out on some really important specialities, some different views and different expertise. And that's why these awards today are so important. Here are the 5 cultural award research categories. Collegiate and supportive environment.
This award recognises contributions made to create a collegiate research environment within or beyond the immediate research group or service.
It's the way that we support each other. It's the way that our university leaders support those at all levels within the university. And it's the way that we share, the way that we mentor, and the way that we enjoy our work.
And the winner is PhD Discussion Community Disco.
For this to be recognised at this level, that confidence that the university has in us as PGRs is being felt, and we're really, really excited.
Responsible research and innovation.
So this award recognises the importance of responsible research practices and rewards efforts to ensure that research integrity is at the core of the work of the university.
Doing it with the right ethical codes and using it responsibly. So that's both in the end use of research and the ways that we measure success.
And the winner is leading change in the responsible use of research metrics.
Personal development, reward and recognition.
This is an award that recognises the importance of developing and rewarding others.
And that's really the way that we mentor our teams, develop our next generation of researchers and recognise what they do, not just in those traditional ways, but the way that they mentor each other, the way that they engage with the public.
And the winner is instigation of the Water at Leeds funded Water Woman Award and associated career development initiatives.
Really nice to be nominated, recognizing what we were doing, trying to change the research culture, trying to make sure that all our female colleagues were properly recognized and that they could be seen as role models.
Open research and impact.
So this award recognises initiatives which increase the transparency, collaboration, inclusivity, reproducibility and efficiency of research processes.
What is the point of research if it stays behind paywalls or inside universities? We need to be sharing our data, our code, our findings with the public and with each other if we're really going to have impact.
And the winner is opening up data science to solve real-world problems.
We see winning this award as a stepping stone to enable future impact and to continue to grow our open research culture, but also we see it as a recognition of what we've already accomplished.
Equality, diversity and inclusion in research.
The award recognises initiatives that make positive changes to embed a culture of equality, diversity and inclusion in research.
There are traditional barriers to certain profiles or people with certain protected characteristics.
It includes examples of how diversity has been actively considered in the development and delivery of research activities.
And the winner is Champion Recruitment for Diversity on the Leader Data Scientist Development Programme.
It feels wonderful for the programme to be recognised in this way. There's one particular fantastic quotation by Eric Wanjo Murithi, who said, "We all want to do good work, but at the end of the day, we want to know that the work we're doing makes a positive impact for change." And I think the work we have been recognised for today is a reflection of that sentiment.
Leeds is, I really think, at the forefront of research culture. Externally, I think people are starting to recognise what we do, and the funders and publishers and other institutions are actually looking to us to define research culture and really to set what those objectives will be.
The great things that these awards have managed to do is to celebrate all staff and not just academic staff.
Instill the kind of confidence in myself that what we're doing is along the right tracks, that what we're doing is a real positive commitment to changing the culture over time.
It's made me think what we can do next to keep helping with the research culture at the university.
We're really, really excited to now take this forward and say, look, the work that we're doing is impactful, and the work that we're doing can work broadly as an intervention elsewhere too.
I would say we're in a pretty good place, pretty exciting place for research culture right now. It's a huge job, there's lots to do, but we're working across the university with colleagues from all over who are really invested in grasping these really sticky problems and finding really creative and different ways of solving them.